Tick-tock, click-clock, let's open up the learning lock. Rhymes and quizzes just for you. Guess it fast, 1, 2, 3, shoot. I make a soft shh sound when the wind blows through me. I stand tall in parks, kids love sitting under my shade. What am I? Yes, it's a tree. Tree sway left, tree sway right, green and happy, fresh and bright. I am a circle, bright and smiling. Kids draw me near the sky. Guess who? Correct, the sun. The sun goes up, the sun goes down, wearing its shiny golden crown. I bounce, I roll, sometimes I fly too. Kids use me in games. What am I? Correct, I am a ball. Bounce it high, bounce it low, faster, faster, here we go. I am cold, I melt fast, kids lick me happily. Guess what I could be? Yes, ice cream. You guessed them all, you're super smart. Clap your hands and touch your heart.